a wonderful way of running a business to where his employees, he would pay them more than others.
Sí, sure. And you pay me when you can. You have to enjoy your house for yourself, not to show to the other. Every product start from evolution. Yes, my father started in 1947 to produce tractor, very strong tractor. I worked for many years in the company, family company, and one day I decided to do a new experience. After the man is able to produce something that help, and everything become more beautiful, more comfortable.
Everyone, and welcome to Design Discussions with Nadine. My name is Nadine and I'm in Milano, and I am here with Mr. Tonino Lamborghini, the forefront of design. So how are you, sir?
Well, very well, thank you.
Good.
Thank you very much to be here. First of all, I would like to inform you that my English is very poor, so I try to do my best, but sure that you can understand.
Everybody loves the Italian accent, as I told you, so don't worry about that. So everybody knows the name Lamborghini, so let's talk a little bit about your father and how he started in business was with tractors and then moved into automotive. So let's talk a little bit about that. It's been years and years ago that he's been working in automotive.
Yes, my father started in 1947 to produce tractor, very strong tractor with engine very high power, American engine, don't forget, coming from the end of the war. Using this components, started to produce this tractor that was economic but very strong. Starting to the experience of your Prime Minister or Economy Minister, Mr. Marshall, that helped the Italian people, offering many opportunities. My father do the same. Take note what this economist, Marshall do, and in same way, my father started to offer the opportunity to the landman, take my tractor and you pay me when you can. A big strategy. He received a very big help from my mother, as you can see in the movie, the legend, Lamborghini, the legend.
And he was a very hardworking man.
Yes.
Very hardworking, as my father as well. Steel-working man. Your father had a wonderful way of running a business to where his employees, he would pay them more than others.
Sí, sure.
So he obviously felt that there was benefit to keeping the members of the team happy. And how do you
My father said I start receiving experience from the people that have experience in another company. Do you want to come with me? I pay more. I can guarantee you, because is my father that talk. When I said is my father, not me. I am able to demonstrate what I am able to do. If you believe me, come with me, I pay more. That is my program. That is exactly what I ask, not do what you want. Are you able to do what I want? If yes, okay, this is money that you wish, and start together.
He recruited, took people from other companies.
Exactly.
To work for
from
him.
Ferrari, Maserati, Mercedes, why not? You are able to come with me and progress together.
Now, you have your hand in a lot of designs, from what we see here, sinks, hotels, very high-end luxury hotels, obviously the name Lamborghini, watches. How important is it to keep doing new things?
Finished my university, my father gave the key of the company, and my father go to produce wine in land, and this wine become famous. I worked for many years in the company, family company, and one day I decided to do a new experience in luxury products, starting to watches, sunglasses, interior, coffee, because coffee represent. Coffee is another division, no? Mm-hmm. Another division. There is wine, coffee that represent Italy. In the world, coffee is Italian coffee, not American coffee or Chinese tea. Is another thing. So I start, and in some years I spend a lot of my life. These activities become very large. Interior, sofa, for example, everything that you can live inside in your house. Starting from these activities, someone proposed and said, why not hotel? I start producing hotel. In China, for example, there are 5 hotels, 5-star, super luxury, and other 6 in construction, coming soon. Soon is not short time, because to produce a building or to produce a hotel take 2, 3, 4 years.
Long time.
After the hotel, why not the building? I wanted to do also luxury building with a luxury interior, with a lot of design, which is not. I don't want only a building. I wish to give my style in this kind of living houses. The concept that I want to impose, let me say it, impose, is you have to enjoy your house for yourself, not to show to the other. Sometimes you buy something and you buy to show. No, it's not my concept. You have to buy and to have something for yourself. In case, if you have a friend, you can invite. But first of all, it's for yourself, not to show. Sometimes, for example, you see someone with a nice car, with a nice watches. You understand immediately that they want or jewels. They want this to show. More I have important watches or important car, more I am important. No, it's not my concept. I am important because I have time for me, and I have a luxury and cultural design at home for me, not for the other. This is my concept.
That's great. Now, you look very young.
Yes.
Okay.
I try.
Your brain works very young.
No, I am very young here.
Yes. So next question is now about, we talked earlier about the brain and the AI and all of that. So how do you feel is AI going to affect design? It's very common in United States. People are scared of AI. What do you think?
What I think, they have a reason. Artificial intelligence is something created from us, no? So in first position there is l'uomo, the man. After the man is able to produce something that help, and everything become more beautiful, more comfortable, more easy to work, but starting from the hand of a man. I hope that my answer is clear.
I
Probably
like your answer.
not very clear, but
I like your answer.
try to
Yeah.
understand.
No, that's very good. That everything that becomes good, it starts with man. So, and
Is
evolution.
evolution. Everything is evolution.
Now you have to come and do some construction work in the United States, as I'm in construction. So
Unfortunately, in the United States, regarding building or hotel, I am not so lucky. I talk with some investor, but at the end, nothing done. Now I am talking for a big building in Miami, but nothing is yet a sign. In the other countries of the world, in China, in Dubai, Brazil, in Thailand, in Morocco, we have a lot of building and hotel, but unfortunately in the US not yet.
okay,
I hope
well,
to start in Miami.
you're lucky. I'm in construction, so we can work together maybe.
Why not? Depend how much you cost.
I'm not cheap. This was great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for sitting with me. This was a pleasure. Until then, stay tuned for the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye. I guarantee next time my English become better.